Hi, we are learning Java, and in this part we will understand switch and case statement, right? So I have a small example to understand switch and case statement. Whenever you will type a day number, it will return a day name, right? So I am typing a 2, it's written a Tuesday, right? If you type 5, right, it will return a Friday, right? Any number you can type of the day, it will return the day name, right? So just type it 1 and it will return a Monday, right? Something like. So let's understand how switch and case statement works, right? So I have a variable which is the integer and name it denum and store any value 1 2 3 4 5 any 7 days, right? And you can type more 8 9 10 any, right? And this is the variable string day, right? So to understand switch and case statement, just a small thing you need to remember, right? So this is the variable always be in a switch, right? And it will match the cases. If you will type 2, it will match the case 2, right? And if you will, and this block will run, right? And if you type 3, it will come here a case 3 and it will match, right? And likewise 4 5 6 7 any case, right? If you will type 7, it will come here a 7 case and it will match, right? So this is 7 is a Sunday, right? So it's pretty easy. And if you will type 8, because 8 day number 8 we don't have, right, in our cases, right? And day 180 any days which is we don't have the any cases, right? So it will default block will run, right? So it will give a message day invalid day, you can see, right? Invalid day because we don't have a case 8, right? Just we have a cases 7, so it will match 1 to 7, right? And if you just type 1, it will match, it will come case 1 and print the day which is Monday, right? And here the system.out.println and print the day, and you can see day 1 is Monday, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. So thanks for watching. Bye, take care.